Hey everybody, today we're gonna do some leftover stuff for Thanksgiving. So what we got here is our leftover dressing, stuffing. Down here in the South we call it stuffing. We've got some leftover turkey. This is a simple, easy recipe. And we got some melted butter. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take our leftover turkey, which is kind of shredded a little bit, and I'm going to dump it in with this stuffing, and I'm just going to get in here and mix all this up. And what we're going to do, I've got a buttered casserole dish right here. We're going to kind of bring our stuffing back to life with this turkey mixed in it, and we're going to make a real easy leftover casserole. Whoops. Damn, I need that. Trying to get away. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks pretty well mixed. What do you think, Rose?
Oh, yeah. Looks good.
Okay. Smells good, too. And what we're going to do is we're going to get him in this old casserole dish. Pour this butter over the top of it, and when it's nice and toasty and pretty, we'll pull him out and we'll put some of our leftover gravy on top of him, and we'll have a damn meal. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, that's gonna work out just right. I'm gonna get the rest of this. There we go. And if y'all watched the previous video where we smoked this turkey, I'm telling y'all, that was probably the best turkey sandwich I've ever had in my life. Okay, so we've got the oven preheated to 350, and then now we're just gonna butter him up just a little bit. Oh yeah. Ain't a damn thing healthy about this. It's gonna be good though. So we're gonna pop this in the oven, and we'll come back when it's ready to pull out. Okay, guys, the casserole is out of the oven. It went for about 40-45 minutes at 350 till it got nice and crisp and crunchy. What we're going to do is we're going to put a big wad of this on this plate. Ooh, I think I cut too big a piece. I'm going to make a mess. Let me get this over here. All right. Oh man, don't that look good? And now we're going to finish him off with some of our good old gravy. On your mashed potatoes too. Yeah, it's not quite all the fixings, but tell you what, if you need to get rid of some Thanksgiving leftovers, this right here is the only way to do it. Let's give it a taste. Let's see. One bite with a little bit of everything. It's just as good as it was yesterday. Maybe better. Oh yeah, stuff's better when it sits and gets happy. Well, anyways, yeah, this was a simple, quick, easy one. Tomorrow we're going to do a turkey pot pie. And thinking about some kind of dessert. I don't know yet. We'll let the producer figure that one out. All right, guys. We'll see you.